Are you ready to transform your mornings into a powerhouse of creativity? Engaging in a quick art project can supercharge your day and enhance your mental well-being. Start by setting aside just 15 minutes each morning for this creative endeavor. Gather some basic supplies like colored pencils, sketch paper, or even watercolors. You don't need to be a master artist. The goal is to express yourself freely. Begin with a simple prompt. Draw your favorite scene from nature or create an abstract piece using colors that inspire you. As you work, focus on the sensations of the materials, the way the pencil glides, or how the paint blends. This mindfulness will draw you into the present moment, easing stress and anxiety. Additionally, try incorporating a short breathing exercise before you start. Take deep breaths for a minute, inhaling positivity and exhaling any negativity. This practice not only calms your mind, but also prepares it for creative flow. Completing a small art project in the morning not only boosts your mood, but also enhances your problem-solving skills for the day ahead. So grab those supplies and let your imagination run wild. Embrace this opportunity for self-expression and watch your creativity flourish.